Diphthong double O. Food, boot, root, tool, cook, pool, hook, stool. Double O-D. Food, wood, stood, blood, flood. Double O-L. Cool, pool, tool, wool, stool. Double O-K. Book, cook, hook, look, took. Double O-M. Boom, doom, room, zoom, broom. Double O-T. Boot, foot, hoot, loot, shoot. The boy took a book on a stool by the pool in the school at the noon.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.